Hi, my name is Mohammed Ali. I completed my master's in Big Data Management from Griffith College. So I found the curriculum very industry-driven, and that motivated me to get into Griffith College. Python, Tableau, and SQL, I think they are part of any kind of data analytics job, and that was part of the curriculum as well. This course actually helped me out a lot, especially with my dissertation. With dissertation, there's no limits, you can do whatever you want. So that gives you the freedom to choose and freedom to go beyond your limits if you want. So after finishing up my first semester, I found myself an internship in AI development, which was a very interesting 6 months project. And afterwards, I carried on with that project in my dissertation as well. Once I finished my dissertation, I found a job in one of the big retail brands here in Ireland as a data migration specialist. And that was a nice kickstart for my career from there onwards. Griffith College really gave me a sense of community all around. The lecturers, they were so supportive, and if you have any kinds of problems in your projects or any real-world problems looking for the jobs or anything, they were really helpful in guiding everything. I had zero knowledge about IT when I started this master's. I literally started from a layman, really dived into all the projects and everything. It was really hard at first, but then I kept going, and at the end, I find myself like anywhere I go and anywhere I see IT or programming, I know everything, what's happening. I would say just go for it, be curious, and be prepared for some deep dive into projects. I think you'll get the best out of this course if you really deep dive into the new technologies as well as the projects and just be curious about it.